Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we have yet another Walkman to do a belt repair on. So this is the Grundig Beat Boy 230, made in Singapore. So this one, first of all, it is a little bit broken. There's a piece broken off. So it's a cassette player as well as an FM radio and the medium wave radio. So first of all, I've tried it, but there is something wrong with this battery compartment, because when I put the cells in, one of them shorts out and it gets really hot, and this wire right here, this spring gets really hot. So I'm gonna open it first and see what's wrong with it. So these screws were already like this. Okay. Okay, so this one should only be on this side. No, okay, I see. Alright, so I think that actually did it without the need for soldering. It's just tested. I suspect it will still need a belt, but we'll see. So this spring is now a little bit dead, and I suspect that it was because of the short that was happening, because it was getting really hot. So it just got deformed irreversibly. So these are 4.5 volts, fully charged. So I'm just gonna use one of these to test it. A little too short. Okay, how about one of these? So we do have motor noise. Let's see if we have some spin. And yes, the belt is okay on this one, I think. So yes, there are two belts on this one. And that is still a little bit too loose for my liking, so I'm gonna change it anyway. This one is much better. No, so this one is still good. Just gonna leave it. It is quite the simple mechanism. Alright, that's good. Now let's just put it back together and see what we're gonna do about the battery terminal. So this is the wheel for the tuning. And still no power, so it could be just this that's not making contact, but I can't be sure enough. I can verify. Okay, so that could be why. So I basically lost the connection. I don't know why exactly, but there is no connection between here and here. Let me see. And why is it not connecting to this? Okay, so yeah, there's a break right here on the PCB. Okay, so that's easy enough. I'm just gonna make a jumper from here to here. Alright, so that wasn't too bad, except for that little mistake, but it happens. What can you do? And of course it works now. So let me just screw it up together and we're gonna test it. Not bad at all. Not bad, really.
Son mari est hospitalisé, il a fait un infarctus en voulant protéger ses proches. Dans ce journal aussi,
Entre 6 heures, Coldplay Mylène Farmer. Dans un village. 1909. Reggae de la
Alright, not bad at all. This is an all-round great budget, I would expect. Cassette player, radio receiver. The quality is quite great. The audio is great, reliable. Even though it's broken, it still works great. The cassette sounds awesome. The hiss is normal, but the sound is great, and that's without any adjustments on my part. So I'm really impressed with this Grundig Beat Boy 230. In any case, that was it, folks. Hope you enjoyed. If you found it useful, you can leave a thumbs up. Otherwise, you can subscribe. And until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.